Hey y'all, how's it going? So we're just doing a demo here to kind of see how I know you can see like bits and probably pieces of this microphone, but trying to get it set. But anyways, so how y'all doing today? How's everybody doing? So this is Vern and we're going to be coming up with a video. We're doing jalapeno popper mushrooms, and we're doing the big portobello mushrooms, which I stuffed with cream cheese, and also threw a whole pepper on top, cut in half, but left it still whole, but you know, cut it in half, but all the way on the other side. Do that on top, wrap some bacon around it. Oh yes, y'all, it's gonna be fabulous. And I also got, I made Alfredo pasta with mushroom, bell pepper, and then also some potato. So yeah, and I'm still using the corned beef up, so we just laid that right on top of it, and just cooked up some nice pasta, some penne, and then some egg noodles too. You know, trying to use the 2 bags I had open up. You know, no need to waste, y'all. Yeah. So yeah, that's the mukbang, and yeah, just testing. Got the microphone today. We're trying to test it out to see if you can hear me, if it makes a difference, whether to use it or not, because it's not super rich mic. It was $4.11 on sale from Wally World. You know, normally like $20, but I'm glad I didn't pay $20. But it does have a standard jack, and it plugs into my Epiphone Epiphone Studio 15R. So you might hear the microphone in the back, or the amp in the background. I don't know. So I'm just trying to figure out the best way to set it up. You know, kind of do some take videos. You know, so if you see these in the regular videos at the end, I may just, you know, do takes, outtakes. Well, I just maybe save them for a whole new motherfucking video, because I'm doing outtakes like crazy, trying to just test to get this set up perfect, because I just don't want to throw anything out there, even though sometimes I do. But anyways, peace y'all, and we're gonna see how this test looks, and we'll be back with corrections and reviews. But anyways, testing the microphone. Yeah. Peace. You been Vern Bang. I still think it's treble up too high. I think it's my treble giving me trouble. This up so I can see what the mother crack. So, how's it going, y'all? Anyways, just testing sound right now. I'll probably be reaching over trying to yeah, right now, since I'm not eating, we're just testing. And I'm just trying to figure out, how to get certain things right and kind of figure out how it looks. I still don't have my tripod, so that'd be another thing we're going to be working on, but I did turn my treble down because I was like, I think the treble's too loud, really, but just trying out different things, seeing what works, and then also I'm not a mic expert, but trying to see what sounds better as far as microphones, because some mics, I think some mics that are just designed to pick up sound and sound only are better. And I don't know if you probably hear that buzzing sound, but I'm just like trying to figure out what works, and if there's a way to get rid of that buzzing sound. But then also, it might just be the amp itself. So I'm going to do a couple tests. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this one off, and I'm going to turn the amp off, and then I just want to test the sound to see how it sounds normally. Normally kind of when I'm sitting back or sitting up here trying to smack down some food, well, I guess you don't know. Maybe some of y'all know. But yeah. And then another idea struck me. It's one reason I decided to turn my amp off, because I'm going to switch a couple things up to see does it make a difference. And then also, if I lower the amp away from the back of the camera to where you don't hear the bzzz of the amp, does it make a difference? So, anyways, so yeah, just testing a couple different mics, testing a guitar mic versus a actual single coil microphone that's used for like professional singing, which this is a cheapie, but it does plug into a big amplifier jack, which was the plus for me, because I want to shoot a video and I want the best quality. So if you're shooting in HD and it uploads in 720, please do not use YouTube editor. Get your own editing software. Even though I do use YouTube editor, I don't have them further edit my videos because it looks like you're in a freaking bubble. It makes your videos look worse. So the first videos I did, he's like in a bubble. The rest you're like not in a bubble, because I don't correct them. I just let HD shoot in HD. But yeah, I just want to see if there is a big sound difference in. And I notice when you turn the treble up too much, it does. But I think if I move this amp from the back of this, so I'm going to turn the amp off one more time. Or actually, I'm going to turn this on, see what it does. So yeah, So you probably hear more of a echoing sound or a zzz. But I think sound in here is really good right now. Because I can sit here and just talk and I can hear the projection. You know, the difference of the projection. And I do have 2 mics going. So, anyways, I'm trying to pronunciate better. That way my videos get better from pronunciating more correctly, because I do have a real thick Texas accent. So, anyways. Now I'm going to try something else. So, it is a lot quieter in here without the ringing. And I necessarily don't think it's the amplifier. I think it's the mic that I got. But I do have another mic on, and that's one reason I'm testing the difference, to see if they work better together or go with one or the other. Or try to lower the amp down a little bit, not too close to the camera, which, I don't know, does it help or hurt? But yeah. So I'm just trying to see what is more sound quality that would work. You know, what do you hear better? You know, and of course you don't want to get all this crap in the camera either. So I'm just seeing what I can work with, what I can play with, what's going to show up in the camera. You know, maybe what's not going to show up in the camera. But yeah. So, this is Vern with another test video. Talking to myself like always, trying to get better at talking and pronunciating and being more familiar with the camera to make a better mukbang. So yeah. We'll be back. Not that I'm shooting a video anyways. But you may see a video of outtakes later, and we'll see how it all works out. But yeah, y'all. Keep it true. You been Vern Bang.